Hello friends, welcome to my channel Checky Break. In this video, I will show how to share your screen with the students during your online classes using the app. Here is the summary of the video. First, I will show how to start a meeting in Google Meet. Then, how to invite the participant to attend the meeting. After that, how to accept the invitation in a participant point of view. Once the meeting is established, how to share your screen with the participant. Then, in the participant point of view, how the meeting looks like. Finally, the advantages of Google Meet. So let's begin.
Log in into your Google Drive and select Google Meet. If you are a participant, give the meeting code here. But if you are the host, click on Start Meeting. Once you join the meeting, you can invite the participant either by copying the link or you can invite them through the email. Here the participant got the meeting invitation through WhatsApp. Once you click the link, you can attend the meeting. If you don't have the Google Meet in your PC, system will automatically install the Google Meet app in your PC so that you can attend the meeting. The installation is done. Now we can attend the meeting by clicking the continue. We have to allow media access. That's it. You are ready to attend the meeting. You can join the meeting now. Once you acknowledge the student request, they can join the meeting. You can also send the meeting code. This is the highlighted part is the meeting code. You can send this meeting code also for joining the meeting. So these are the list of the participants who are attending the meeting right now. You can also chat with your participant. If you have any doubts, you can just type in the chat window so that everyone know your posting. We can also share files using this attachment. We have to attach files using Google Calendar. I will make another video for that, how to attach the file in Google Meet. We can also change the layout of the window. By clicking the Present Now button, you can share the screen. You can share either the whole screen or a particular window. If you are choosing window, you have to select the window that you are going to choose. I am choosing a PowerPoint file to share to the student. Once you have completed your presentation, we can stop presenting. Here I have simulated the Google meeting with two participants, one in tab, another one in mobile. Whatever changes happening in the host screen also reflecting in the participant screen as well.
Hello friends, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.